Design is often built on a grid, but at DiviGrid, we built the grid for the designers. Introducing a precision-engineered ecosystem, 40 unique modules. No filler, no compromise, just pure architectural intent. Our PostGrid is a high-performance engine, built to power everything from standard blogs to complex WooCommerce stores and ACF-driven data. Interaction that feels natural, from the fluid motion of our advanced image carousel to the structured beauty of our galleries. It's fast, it's seamless, tools that respond to intent. Every hover is an experience, giving your site a custom feel without the custom code. Build trust with professional testimonials and client showcases, designed to convert visitors into loyal customers. Every element is a detail. Every detail is an opportunity. These aren't just add-ons, they are your brand's signature. A bridge between eras, fully optimized for the reliability of Divi 4, natively engineered for the speed of Divi 5. Your workflow unified. Beyond the modules lies an ecosystem, thousands of sections and layouts, professional, scalable, free to download. The web doesn't need more modules, it needs better ones. It's time to build outside the box. DiviGrid, the new standard for Divi. Explore the future at DiviGrid.com.